What was my last video even about? I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Woohoo! In today's video we are talking about skincare. I am doing another skincare update. For the last couple of months I've been using a couple new products. You guys always ask for updates, so I said that I would be filming more regular skincare update videos for you guys. So today I am talking about Cerre skincare. I'm talking about the Zelens sunscreen. I'm also talking about a new haircare product that I am super obsessed with, as well as an old favorite and some other new bits and bobs as well. So that's what we're doing in today's video. Today is my day off, so I am loving life. I love that it's 3 minutes to 10 and I'm so happy that I can just chill and relax today. Anyway, yeah, hope you guys are doing okay by the way. And yeah, that is literally everything. So let's just jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, let's get in to toner and essence. So as always, I've got my fresh rose floral toner. Then next up I've got my fresh kombucha facial treatment essence. We're getting to the end of the bottle, cannot wait to rebuy this. Okie dokes. Let's get into the skincare update and all of that stuff. So a couple of months ago, a skincare brand called Cerre Skincare gifted me 2 of their, I would say, best-selling products that are aimed at helping with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, melasma, uneven skin tone, anti-aging, and general skin concerns targeted towards people with melanated skin. So people who are, I would say, like tan up until like quite dark. I think it's been about a month since I started using both products. Since the video that I uploaded came out, I think it's definitely been like more than 2 weeks since then, and I have actually finished the rapid brightening serum. So I finished that last week, like a week and a half ago, and I've still got a tiny bit of this left. Yesterday when I was using this, it felt like it was coming to the end. If you want any information at all on either of these 2 products, about Cerre skincare and all of that stuff, make sure you check out my first video because I go into a lot of depth about the brand, what they represent, and like my skin and how these have helped my skin. I think this one is like $165, this one is like $92, $98, so they are very expensive. All in all, I did really enjoy using both of these products. For me personally, I feel like after that 2-week mark, I didn't really see a huge difference in my dark spots. I think that the main area here on my cheek that is, you know, my trademark dark spot patch, I think that definitely did continue to lighten up. But as for my more darker areas that were left on the sides here, I didn't see that much of a change in darkness. I mean, they were getting lighter, a bit lighter, but not really significantly lighter. So I would say that if you do want to give these a try, you'll probably need to be using these for a couple of months. I guess they do say that to see results in your skin, you need to be using products for at least 3 months. So I do know that if I was to buy this myself, that I'd probably start to see a difference after a couple of months, but 1 month isn't enough unless you're on like the lighter end of the spectrum and you've got like tan skin. Then I'm pretty sure in a month you would be able to see results in your face. And for me, I was seeing results within 2 weeks initially, but I just think after that 2-week period, I think I needed a bit more oomph to see real significant change in my skin. That is just regarding the dark spots and my hyperpigmentation. However, in terms of, you know, skin texture, skin smoothness, spots, breakouts and things, these guys are like top tier. I've not had a single spot, a single blemish in over a month. Ever since I started using these 2 products, I've not had a single breakout, and I think that's just wild, because if you watch any of my videos, then you know that I'm always coming on with a spot. There's always something on my face while I'm filming, and it's just been crazy to me that I've not had a single spot. Going through my camera roll on my phone and going through like the last month and not seeing a single spot, and then going through like last year's pictures and seeing all the spots I had on my face, literally is like night and day. So for me, my only concern is that now I'm gonna start getting spots again, which I really do not want. So I'm seriously contemplating what to do about that, because I was not expecting that at all. So definitely, if you have spots, you have like breakouts, then these are products that you need to get onto. And I've been eating trash. I've been eating trashier than I've ever eaten before, and the fact that I've not had a single spot, my period has come and gone, I've not had a single like period spot or anything like that. So the only thing I can really put that down to is the Cerre skincare, because I've not used any products, I've not tried any new products since I've been using the Cerre skincare products. So I would definitely recommend these for both breakouts and dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone and texture on your skin. I would say though, if you're my complexion and you have dark spots and things that are similar to mine, then these products are definitely good for that, but you'll probably need to use them for at least 2 months to properly see real change. These two are definitely things that I would recommend. They are super expensive. That is the only negative point to this, that they are super expensive. But if you've got the cash to splash, as I always say, these are definitely worth a look in. And I do like that they are specifically geared and targeted towards women of darker skin complexions, like olive skin through to quite dark skin. But again, if you want any more information on either of these two products, make sure you check out my previous video. So in the meantime, while this rapid brightening serum has finished, I've gone back to my old skincare routine. So for serum, I've been using the Glowpore Azelaic Acid Spot Gel. This is also really good for if you have spots, breakouts. Surprisingly, this Azelaic Spot Gel works quite well with this intensive repair. I've not had any reaction or anything to it. So next up, I'm going to go in with this spot gel, and I've been using this as an all over the face serum and not just like a spot gel treatment, and I like it. This is also very gentle. I had a comment on the original video, someone was asking how I am liking the Azelaic Spot Gel, and to be honest, I stopped using it while I was using the Cerre skincare products, but I genuinely really like it. And I think one of the reasons why it took me so long to start with the Cerre skincare was because I really wanted to get a real chance to use this spot gel and to really let it work, and I was really enjoying it. I think there's only like £16, can't remember, but I do have a video on this spot gel. If you want to find out more about it, then check out that video. This does help with spots, and it just helps to keep your skin clear. It's not irritating, I don't find anyway, and it goes well with a lot of other skincare products that I have. And this is also targeted for acne, so if you do have acne breakouts, like I said, then this is going to be good for that. And this paired with the vitamin ACE moisturizer, like they're just a great duo. But I don't have that moisturizer today because I'm still using this intensive repair cream, which I'm pretty sure is going to finish today. So next I've got the Cerre skincare intensive repair cream. Let's see if anything comes out. Like the bare minimum is coming out, but that's okay, that's alright. Just gonna pop that on. And one of the things that I really liked about the intensive cream is that it can be used as an eye cream. I've noticed that my under eyes are just so much brighter, my skin is so much smoother. I love this. I wish this wasn't $165 because I just, it's so great. I really do like this a lot. Okay, cool. That is that. I'm now going to let everything settle in, and while I do that, I'm going to quickly run and get dressed. Okay guys, I am back. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I last filmed that I don't even remember what I wore in my last video. So if I'm wearing the same outfit, just know that it's been like 2 or 3 weeks since I filmed my last video, which I'm like, what was my last video even about? I don't know. But anyway guys, so I am back. I am dressed. Now we are going on to sunscreen. So I have the Zelens Dr. Marco Lens Daily Defense sunscreen. This is broad spectrum SPF 30, and no, this was what my last video was about. Wow. So like I said, I think it's been, when did I film that? I think it's been 2 or 3 weeks since, no, it's literally been a month. So it's been 3 or 4 weeks since I filmed my first impressions video on this sunscreen. Guys, I love it. This is hands down definitely one of the best sunscreens I have ever tried. No, this is for sure the best expensive sunscreen I have ever tried. I tried a Dermalogica sunscreen that was literally £60. Trash. I hated it so much. The small size is £15 and the 50ml is £55. So in terms of price point, this is very expensive, but this is the best expensive sunscreen I have tried. So if you do want to spend more money on sunscreen, I can definitely recommend this. this because I think it's worth every single penny. It's so smooth, it's so creamy, it makes your skin feel so hydrated and soft. It doesn't dry out my skin at all. I'm not allergic to it, I'm not sneezing. It smells really nice. It smells of avocado mixed with like a tiny hint of lavender. I really do really love this. Cannot recommend this enough. If you want more information on this sunscreen, check out my previous video, I think. I'll link it. Just, I love this sunscreen. It's so good. My only negative point is that it is quite expensive. I wish it wasn't £55, but it's definitely worth £55. It's worth every single penny, and I think if I was to rebuy this, I would buy the big size because this small size is only 15ml and it's absolutely tiny, and I feel like I've nearly finished it as well, and I've only been using this for a couple of weeks, I guess a month. So I would definitely next time get the bigger size. If you're trying out new sunscreens and you want to experiment and you're not that familiar, then by all means try out this small £15 one, but for £15 it's so tiny, like it's just doesn't make me feel good because it's so small. But I love this, really worth the money. And my only other thing, look, I just wish this was SPF 50 for no reason other than the fact that I like knowing that I'm getting a bit more protection from the sun, even if it is just like an extra like 2% protection, but you know. But yeah, really like this. Just gonna dollop this all over my face. Last time I put it on it's like dots, but most times when I use this I literally just rub it on. I rub it on like a moisturizer and put it on that way. It's so good. It really is so good, and I love how well it rubs in. You'll see how well it rubs in. Rubs in, put it down the neck. Oh, the smell. And I'm like, not a single breakout either, which is good. Nice. If you're looking for a chemical sunscreen that doesn't leave a white cast, that's really hydrating, that smells like avocado, then this could be the one for you. Like the smoothness of the skin, this is really skincare. I can't remember all of the ingredients that are in it, but this does have lots of great ingredients in it, and I can tell because the way it leaves my skin feeling, it's almost like it's got serums in there, like actives in there, which I think it does. Really great, really love that. Could not recommend that enough. It is pricey, it is only SPF 30, but aside from those two things, I think I cannot fault this at all. I think if you're into more affordable, cheap sunscreens, then this probably won't be for you just because the price is quite expensive. But if you feel like you want to treat yourself to a slightly more expensive sunscreen, then this is definitely one to try out. So, gonna do hair quickly. So let me take out my hair. Now, the last product that I want to talk about, I've not actually talked about it at all. As you can see, I have twists. I've got braids in, like braided twists, and I love it. I am loving life. I feel like I've missed having my hair like this, and it's so easy. It's so much easier having my hair like this, for sure. But enough about the hair, even though we love. So a product that I've been using recently, ever since I put my hair in, so it's been about a month. Yeah, I'd say it's been about almost a month since I've been using this. This is the BOURN Beautiful Naturals Lock It In Moisture Spray, and this was gifted to me alongside a whole ton of other BOURN Beautiful Naturals products. It's nearly finished. There's not that much in there. However, I'm gonna buy this because I am obsessed with this. I love it so much. This is really cooling, it's really soothing. I think if you get braids, then you'll know about this, that after your hair is done, like the first couple of days, your hair can be quite raw, you can have an itchy scalp. Your scalp is just a lot more sensitive because, you know, your hair is being pulled at, but this just relieved the scalp. You have no idea. It's so cooling. It's got lavender, it's got coconut oil, it is silk infused, it's super hydrating, and I spray this on my scalp every day. I try to do it twice a day, but realistically I just do this in the morning, and this is really great. It really does soothe my scalp. It really relaxes me also. I think that's the lavender essential oil, and it just keeps your scalp feeling fresh, smelling fresh. And you can also spray this on the actual braids to keep the hair looking a bit more like healthy, which is what I've been doing, and I've definitely noticed that my hair hasn't gone gross. I think if you have braids, you know what I mean. After a couple of weeks the hair starts to get straggly, but I've not noticed that. It could be because the hair that I'm using this time is a bit different, but I've not noticed anything bad with my hair. Like, I feel like my hair is really, it's kept really well, and I have to say that it is down to this, because this and one other product are the only two products I've been using with my hair like this, and Love this. I think this is the 250ml one is £10.80. They also have a 500ml which is £17, I think. So quite affordable, definitely worth it. You get a massive bottle and this does last a long time. It's only lasted me such a short time because I have been dousing my scalp in this stuff because my scalp was really quite raw and quite sensitive after my hair was done. It was the first time I'd done my hair since I was like 21. I'm 28 now, so the first time I'd had my hair in braids in 7 years, so I think my scalp was just refamiliarizing itself, so that's why I was using a lot of this. But it's such a big bottle, I think this will definitely last you for a long time. The main thing that I love about the bottle design is that it's got a secure, I don't know what you call this, like a lock system, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it spilling over because you just open it and close it from the lock, which I think is really cool. So basically what I do is very self-explanatory, just open it and then I lift up my hair and spray it on. Yeah, this is nearly finished. But like I said, I'm going to rebuy this because this is so good. Well, no, I'm going to buy this because I love it. This is good for braids, sister locks, twists, dreadlocks. Definitely something to try. I really like it. Like, it just smells so good and it's so easy to just like get on the scalp. And then what I do is I like to massage it on my scalp a bit, and when I'm massaging it on my scalp I can see if parts of the hair needs more, which it always does, and this really does keep your scalp moisturized. Obsessed. And then what I do is from the roots, I then just drag the products down the hair just so that it gets on the hair as well. And then massage the scalp. Ah, beautiful. And then that is that. If I'm feeling extra, then I will spray directly onto the braids. But because I'm running out of this stuff, I don't want to waste it on the actual braid. So I just put it on the scalp because my scalp gets very dry. Cool beans. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out how best to style my hair. I might even just keep my hair out because I quite like it out. And then for a bonus update, just want to give a quick shout out to Curly Care. I bought this bonnet from Curly Care last year. I have the whole video on the Curly Care products that I bought, and this bonnet has been really great at just keeping my hair together. As you can see, my hair is quite long, it's quite thick, but as you saw at the beginning of this video, my hair was able to all fit under here and it stays under here all night long. If you have braids, if you've got longish hair, if your hair is like this long and this thick and you're looking for a bonnet, I really could not recommend this enough. This is really good. I like the quality of this. This has gone through the wash many times and it still looks brand new. I think I got the, I can't tell, I think this must be like the medium size. So the medium size is really good for like short to mid-length thick-ish hair. So it's good for when I don't have braids in, and when I do have braids in, I was actually worried that it wouldn't be able to fit with my braids in, but it fits really well and it's helped to keep the hair looking neater, which is always good. Okay, I feel like that is everything. Oh no, that's not everything. Always forget. And then finally we've got lip balm. I have the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Balm. You guys know I love the Fresh Sugar lip treatment, but that has finished and I'm on a skincare ban. Officially I'm on a skincare ban. I don't want to buy any new products until I finish what I have. We've got a 1 in 1 out policy going on, so I have all of these lip balm samples. So before I rebuy the sugar lip treatment, I'm using all of my lip samples that I have, and I've been using this for like 2 or 3 days. I really love it. I think it's really nice. My only concern is that it doesn't have SPF in it. This is just plain, but apart from that, like, it smells really nice. And it's really hydrating on the lips. I think obviously because that's like the point of this. They do say though that if you want SPF protection, then you can mix this with the sugar lip treatment, but I don't have any left, so just kind of have to deal with this, but not so bad. I'm liking this, I'm enjoying this. So if you're on the lookout for a lip balm, then either get this one or the Fresh Sugar lip treatment. Your lips will love you for sure. Anyway guys, today is my day off. So I am going to end this video here. I'm going to go and relax today, have some fun. There's only so much fun you can have in lockdown, but yeah, I'm going to enjoy my day off today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions on any of the skincare products. I love that you guys are always asking questions and commenting on videos, so make sure that you remember to comment if you have any questions whatsoever. I have lots of new products. I say this every time. I've got lots of new products that I'll be trying out over the next couple of weeks, so make sure you stay tuned for new products. And yeah, in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!